please don't buy it. I'll just say that, please don't buy it. Hi guys, I'm back again with another shopping video. I'll make this one quick because I'm feeling so tired and a bit under the weather, but I have some, I just got home and made some dawa. Yeah, so as I said, I was feeling a bit under the weather and a bit emotionally down, so I got myself some flowers. Yeah, so on to the video. So I'll just pick random stuff. I got this. It's Luminac. Yeah, you know I have a thing for Luminac. It's a glass jug, but one thing I don't like about it is this. This is plastic. Yeah, but apart from that, it's a really nice quality. I got this for 650. There's a smaller one that goes for 600 and a bigger one that goes for, I think, 800. But I just needed this size. Yeah, so these, everything that I'll show you is from KAMUKUNJI. Yes. Then I also got this. This is a sugar dish. I wanted a clear glass one, but it has been so hard to find it. When I saw this and it's white and gold and it goes with my kitchen aesthetics, which is white, gold and black, I was like, why not? Plus it matches well with my salt shaker. Yes, so that's how it looks like. This was 500 shillings. It's a decent size, yeah. So 500 shillings for that. I got these bowls. This is also Luminac. You know, Luminac is a nice brand. I think most famous brands are hyped, but for Luminac, I've had a good experience with Luminac. They don't break easily. Oops. So these do come in sizes. This is the medium size. I think there's a bigger one. I think so. But there was a smaller one, which I didn't find any need to buy that one. So I decided to buy the same size, two of them. So, and one thing about this, they are safe to use in the oven. Yeah, so you can use them as serving bowls, or if you want to, do I call it baking? Or yeah, any kind of cooking in the oven. Yeah, you can use this. This was going for, yes, 750. The smaller one was 650, but I thought, why not? It's just 100 shillings and the other one was way smaller. So yeah, I got two of those. Something else that I got is this thermo flask. This is Regal, the company. Please take this seriously. This is Regal. There is a brand, a very famous brand called Always. Please don't buy it. I'll just say that. Please don't buy it. So I have some products from Always and they're not the best. Like your tea or whatever you have inside will be cold in an hour's time or less. But Regal, I have a very good friend of mine who has this. They've had this for a few years and like it's the best. It's the best. So I was so specific and it's not easy finding this one. So I found this in one shop Do I have the receipt? So it's the shop on your right when you're at the junction, on your right far end, where the people are wearing green dust coats. Yes, that is where I got the Regal one. So I got the, didn't even show you. I got the 2 liters. And please make sure you check here that it has the label. I got the 2 liters, but if you have a big family or if you're hosting a lot of people, I think it's more economical to go for the 3 liters, because 3 liters was going for 2,700. This was going for 2,200. This is 2 liters, but I found 3 liters to be a lot for me. Honestly. Another thing that I got is this serving spoon. Yeah, this was 200 shillings. 200 shillings. I also got these tongs. They're tongs. I think so. They're tongs. I wanted silicone tongs, but I couldn't find them. So I just had to opt for these. Yeah, this was also 200 shillings. Then the rest are actually from Dubois. Is there a video that I've ever done for Kamukunji and there's no... This is vitamin C, Dr. Rachel from Dubois. I got the Dove soap. I got these in what? Fresh cherry. Yes, it's a roll-on, an Nivea roll-on. This was 300. Dr. Rachel was 300. Dove was 200. Yeah, Dove soap was 200. Then this one, my wax lady recommended this, so I've seen them using this as a soothing gel, you know, after you get your Brazilian, after you wax. And I thought, if it's really safe to use down there, it has to be like so good. Because I've never had an issue after waxing when they use it on me. So I bought these to moisturize. Yes, this was 250. Yeah, it's really cheap. I don't know why it's cheap, and it's 260 ml. But the thing is, I've never had an issue with it, and it's so soothing, like so soothing. For those who have had a Brazilian, you know the pain. But the moment they apply this, it's like everything is back to normal. So I just thought, why not get it? That was 250. Is there anything? Nothing else? Oh, why was I so tired? Yeah, that's it, guys. As I said, this was going to be quick. I hope it was. And let me finish my dawa, then we can arrange the flowers together. So until next time, stay gorgeous, stay fashionable.